At once, we know it can be a challenge to successfully raise swine. Between keeping the animals healthy and virus-free while providing excellent pig care, it can be difficult to achieve optimal outcomes turn after turn. We understand these obstacles and are here to help. Based on photobiology and backed by scientific research, we have become an industry leader by focusing our efforts on finding solutions that show proven, measurable results. We leverage these results by using swine-specific dim-to-red technology to produce a natural sunrise-sunset simulation. This results in enhanced production metrics like improved animal welfare and pre-wean conditions, in addition to healthier development, growth, and reproductive performance in the animals. With our scientific approach and system's rugged and durable design, we can offer pork producers a complete lighting system. See what some of the team has to say about how durable and easy to use our LEDs and biosecurity chamber are.
Hello, my name is Joshua Monio. I'm the engineering director here at Once. My team is responsible for the design and development of all of our product lines. We know your barn is a challenging environment to build for. We know that there's a buildup of dust, there's tricky chemicals such as ammonia and chlorine, and in general, you need a rugged design to handle that environment. To meet these challenges, we use the latest materials and LEDs that are out there. We use metals that are the highest grade and with some of the strongest coatings, so you can power wash them and dust and debris buildup won't destroy the metal. Are all combined together in a way such that if the lamp were to fall off of the table, it's not going to break.
Hello, I'm Dr. Aaron Steffen, Director of Biological Research and Development at Once. I'm here to tell you about the BioShift, our germicidal pass-through chamber designed to reduce or eliminate the import of pathogens into your biosecure facility. The BioShift has two sides, the dirty or street side and the clean or biosecure side. To use the BioShift, simply open the door, place the objects in that you wish to sanitize, close the door, and press start. The BioShift uses UVC radiation, which effectively kills any cell or virus it comes into contact with. The BioShift is equipped with various safety and security features, including magnetic door locks and an emergency stop button. Once the cycle is complete, the objects can be removed on the clean or biosecure side, and the process can be repeated. With its rugged design, easy-to-use interface, and effective sanitation, the BioShift is an ideal tool to add to your existing biosecurity program.
Whether you're in need of heat lamps, a UVC biosecurity solution, or LED lighting for your sow barn, gestation building, nursery, gilt development unit, or finishing facility, Once has a lighting solution for you. Contact our team today to learn more about these swine products.